Welcome to the New to Lookfy series. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable the Lookfy App Script, a small but important step to make your galleries display perfectly on your store. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes. Find the theme that you want to edit, and then click Customize. On the sidebar on the left, click the App Embeds icon. Click the search bar and enter Lookfy to search. If the Lookfy app script is off, click the toggle to turn it on. Then click Save at the top right corner. Once you've saved your settings, go ahead and preview your store. You'll see your Lookfy galleries are now displayed beautifully and fully functional. That's it, quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or join the Lookfy community for help and latest updates. See you next time.